Understanding overhead conveyor in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, overhead conveyor. This term is commonly used in industrial and manufacturing contexts, so understanding it can be quite useful. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how it's used. Overhead conveyor is made up of two words, overhead and conveyor. Let's look at each word individually. Overhead. This word describes something that is located or happening above the level of the head. It implies a position that is high up or in the air. Conveyor. A conveyor refers to a mechanical device used for moving objects from one place to another. It's a common piece of equipment in factories and warehouses. When combined, overhead conveyor describes a conveyor system that is installed above the ground, usually used for transporting goods in a facility. Understanding how to use overhead conveyor in a sentence is crucial. Here are some examples. 1. The factory installed an overhead conveyor to improve the efficiency of their production line. 2. Be careful when walking under the overhead conveyor. It's carrying heavy materials. 3. The tour guide showed us how the overhead conveyor system automated the entire packaging process. These sentences illustrate the practical application of the term in everyday conversation, especially in an industrial context. It's often helpful to visualize concepts. Picture a warehouse with a series of belts or chains hanging from the ceiling. These belts move objects across the facility, from one station to another, without interrupting the work happening on the ground. That's an overhead conveyor in action. I hope this video has helped you understand what an overhead conveyor is and how it's used in English. Remember, learning new terms, especially technical ones, expands your vocabulary and helps in understanding specific fields better. Keep practicing, and you'll master English in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.